Got a sweet tooth tonight? Love fall campfire s'mores, but you're low carb? Follow me. Let's make a low carb s'mores dessert. First, you want to heat up your Dash waffle iron. So in your large mixing bowl, you're going to beat 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. I would have it softened. Your ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of almond flour. Make sure it's fine almond flour. You can use any brand. Then you want to add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. You can use dark or irregular. And a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And 1 tablespoon of your favorite sweetener erythritol, such as Swerve, monk fruit. Today I just used Splenda, but you can use any sugar substitute that you want or any brand, or you can just use regular erythritol, such as monk fruit. Then I added, and this is optional, you can add a 1/4 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese or cheddar, your preference. If you want a super crispy waffle, just do about a 1/3 cup for extra crispiness. But the mozzarella or cheddar cheese, in my case, because I'm out of mozzarella, gives it a crispy texture. So you're just going to beat this all together while your waffle iron is heating up. After you beat the mixture together, then you're going to spray your waffle iron so it don't stick. And then you're just going to add half of the batter in at a time. Make sure you leave a little bit of room on the edges so it doesn't overflow when you shut the lid. So while that's cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes, possibly 4 minutes, you just have to check on it to see the desired crispiness that you want it. And then you're going to take it right out of the waffle iron and instantly you're going to add these marshmallows. So I get the sugar-free Max Mellow. I'm just using the original flavor for this one because I could not find the chocolate. I also have 0 sugar Hershey chocolate. You can use Lily's. And I also have a Smucker's Sundays. It has Splenda in it. Sugar-free chocolate syrup for the topping. So I pulled 1 marshmallow out and I'm just going to spread it. So I just added it to my waffle iron to get it to start melting. So then I added my 0 sugar chocolate chips on top so that starts to melt. And then in the meantime, I'm going to respray my waffle iron and put the second half of the batter in. This is what it looks like when it's done. I'm getting ready to take it out. Now you can add chocolate chips in the batter if you want, but I just laid mine on top. And this is what your chocolate Chaffle should look like, and you can decorate the top of it however you want. And let me try to get the middle. And then you got the ooey gooey chocolate chips and marshmallows in the center that are melting. And there you have it, your campfire chocolate s'more made low carb. Enjoy this recipe, and thanks for watching.